All right, let's talk about SEO. It stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is the practice of getting your website to show up higher in search results without paying for ads. If you are not on page one, you are basically invisible. Here is why it matters. Google processes over 5 trillion searches every year. The number one result captures 27.6% of all clicks. Position 2 gets 15%. By page 2, you are under 1%. The gap between ranking and not ranking is enormous. Organic search drives 53% of all trackable web traffic. Paid search drives about 15%. So, the channel most businesses underinvest in is actually the one sending the most visitors. SEO builds traffic that keeps coming after the campaign ends. On-page SEO is everything on your own website. Title tags, headers, page speed, internal links, schema markup. These are signals you control directly. 1 per page, meta descriptions under 160 characters, and content written for people, not crawlers. Off-page SEO is about trust signals from outside your site. Backlinks from authoritative sources tell Google your content is worth referencing. You earn these by publishing original research, writing for trade publications, and creating content other people genuinely want to share. Google now uses mobile-first indexing. That means your mobile experience determines your ranking, not your desktop site. Over 60% of searches happen on phones. If your site loads slowly or breaks on mobile, you're being ranked on a version of your site that most users never see. The tactics that move rankings are page speed, targeted keyword research, consistent blogging, legitimate link building, proper header structure, and complete XML sitemaps. None of these are shortcuts. They compound over weeks and months into sustainable traffic. SEO is organic. SEM includes paid ads. Paid search delivers immediate visibility, but stops the moment your budget runs out. SEO takes longer to build, but the traffic does not disappear when you stop spending. Most businesses need both, but SEO is the foundation. Honestly, SEO takes time. Most sites start seeing meaningful movement in 3 to 6 months, but the compounding effect is real. Content that ranks today keeps driving traffic next year. Every piece of authority you build makes the next piece easier to rank. SEO is not optional anymore. Your buyers are searching right now, and the question is whether they find you or your competitor. Optimum 7 builds SEO strategies that compound over time, turning search into your highest returning acquisition channel. Start with a free audit and find out exactly where you stand.